Good night to present to the activity crime investigation. What was the crime? Robbery of $100,000. Describe the crime scene. Robbers entered the bank, threatening customers with weapons as they asked to put the money in a bag. Then they leave the site with the money. What was the evidence? Inside found the cell phone, cigarettes, lipstick, cup coffee. Which of the suspects do you consider as wealthy? Suspect 1. Mr. Cotrino. He had the key to the bank and could enter at any time. Additionally, he had a romantic relationship with Mrs. White. Suspect 2. One of the evidence, the rate of the cup coffee with lipstick, is from Mr. White, who in her interview said that she never entered the bank, but the rate of cup coffee was found in Mr. Cotrin's office. Thank you.